Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT KING KONG X, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen, as in my opinion it is the best way to change the language. All we have to do right now is to enter the settings, which should be displayed in this upper panel. So let's tap on it and enter languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. You can scroll and find it, or you can simply enter the name of the language and tap on it after finding. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened here, so let me do it again quickly. Okay, we've got it. Right here, after tapping on the specific language, you can choose the layout. So the amount of them depends on the specific language. Sometimes you will have only one, and sometimes even up to 7 different layouts. So just mark the layout and tap on Done. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to this list. And before I'll show you how to remove the language, so you will be able to totally replace the typing language, I'd like to get back to the keyboard to show you how to use it with 2 or more languages added. Fortunately, in this updated keyboard, we've got the hint which will guide us through the whole process. Basically, the globe icon is the most important here, because thanks to it we can change the layouts. So after tapping, I can apply Urdu, and tapping again and applying English. What's more, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using, so you can always check it, which is especially useful if the layouts are really similar between the languages. So now let me show you how to remove the language. So all you have to do is to enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and here tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. So let's tap on it, mark the language you want to remove, and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.